Just a couple of moments as they get ready. The tires in place. Green flag up and around the arena. So ladies and gentlemen, again, big countdown for a big field here. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag, boys and girls. Up at the north end. Cody, red flag comes out on the field. They'll check out. Back at her. Field clear. 16. Dylan Mills in the D26 trying to refire right in the middle of the arena. Cody Flagman trying to refire the 13X. Now Benson pushes down on the L91. Lucas Mills coming back hard into the right front. We're going to go back red. We're going to go back red on the field. Red on the field here. We'll go back red as again Bumper off one of the cars here behind the Lucas Mills, the L91. Flame underneath the L1 now. We got Flame underneath the L1. Tyler Brunkard. Brunkard. Plenty of Flame underneath for Roeville there first. Hoagland, Madison Township, will now look underneath Lucas Mills in the L91. Just a little bit north of the 01 of Brunkard. Preston Gerardo also dropping out. So crews get to the fire, but Roeville taking care of the 01 of Brunkard. Madison Township taking a look at Lucas Mills in the L91. Gerardo will climb out of his car, head over to the east side. We get set back to go green. A handful of drivers left in the three stock division. Get a 16 dragging that tire. Seacrest comes down all the way down. Tries to go, just drives past the L91. Brunkard still giving a shot here. Here comes Bailey Bensman. Bensman on one side, Seacrest on the other. They squeeze the 77 of Josh Augustiniak. Now Blake Seacrest, as he tries to get turned around, goes after Tyler Brunkard down in the south end along with Lucas Mills. Over the north end, Bensman, Bailey Bensman, 77. Trying to get turned, Josh Augustiniak. Augustiniak comes down and can't get Mills. Mills slides by in time as red flag comes out on the field. Red flag back on the field here. 5 cars left running. And finally the tire off of the back of the right rear of the number 16, Blake Seacrest, comes off, and Bristol Muldoon on hand to pull it over the wall. Drivers out of their cars over the wall, field back under green here. Brunkard in the 01. Up in the north end, here comes Seacrest in the 16. Trying to get a bumper in the right front. Also, here comes Lucas Mills. Mills now going to slam the 16 into the north wall. But Seacrest backing away, coming out hard. Lucas Mills all the way down. Fire underneath the hood of the L91, south end. Again, flames coming out from underneath the hood. And the 77, Augustiniak still hasn't got the message off the red flag. So Brunkard now stopped up at the north end in the 01. 16 of Lucas, of Josh Augustiniak. Blake Seacrest in the number 16. Bailey Bensman in the number 22. And the Lucas Mills L91 for the second time and out tonight. Flame underneath the hood. Safety crew out of Monroeville on hand, all down to the south end. And Holman checking it out, make sure it is extinguished. And Lucas now will try to refire the L91. L91 looks like it's ready to move. Back to green flag. Back to green here for that Brucker now. As he gets backed up at the north end. Here comes Mills. Mills now, he's going to slam backside of Segrist. Segrist into that right side of the 01 of Bruckard. Bruckard's team rolling out of that. The 01 Tyler Bruckard breaks off down at the northeast corner. Benson also breaking off. Bailey Benson breaks off at the number 22, so 3 cars left running. Josh Augustiniak in the 77. Lucas Mills, here comes Blake Segrist. Segrist hard in that right front. And little red car of Blake Segrist. Minus on 3 wheels. Segrist does a 180. Mills going to get a piece of the backside. Here comes Josh Augustiniak. Red flag again comes out. And again, it looks like flame underneath the yellow 91. So Josh Augustiniak, he's going to stop in the middle. Again, safety crews out of Monroeville will climb over the wall again, look underneath, lift the little metal flap up underneath the L91, Lucas Mills. Blake Segrist, three-wheel Blake. Down to the south end. Losing that right rear wheel a while back. 3-wheel Blake Segrist out at the south end of the arena. Picking on the big L91 of Lucas Mills. Trying to finish him off. As again, safety crews out. Check out underneath the hood. They're set aside because they had to peel back. Mills back on the gas. Slams the right front. Here comes Augustiniak. He's going to go after Mills. Josh Augustiniak in the 77 trying to pin in the L91 of Lucas Mills. Now right alongside. Now Mills going to try to squeeze through a hole. Comes up to the middle of the arena and makes the left-hand turn. Blake Segrist still trying to get the 16 refired. Augustiniak now spinning his wheel. Now the Mills, the motor stalls in the L91. And Josh Augustiniak comes down and gets the bump on the front end. So right now, Josh Augustiniak, the lone car running. Segrist down at the south end, trying to refire. Mills in the middle of the arena, trying to refire the L91. Augustiniak continues to work that front end. Segrist back on the, still on the clock. Bristol Muldoon's keeping an eye on him. Matt Holman keeping an eye on the L91. So Josh Augustiniak continues to pound the front end. Trying to find reverse gear. So Segrist in the L91 of Lucas Mills have to drop out. And the lone car left running, Josh Augustiniak. Out of Decatur, Indiana, the 77 picks up the win, Augustiniak. And Mills out of the car comes over to shake hands with Josh Augustiniak as he picks up the win in the street stock class here.